Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to explain reseller certificate and what does it mean reseller certificate in sales and use tax compliance. Basically, if your company, if your business is selling the product to another business, in that case there is an exemption from sales and use tax. No need to report, no need to get compliance done of that sales and use tax, no need to get registered if your business is just selling the goods to another business. It means that you are not dealing with that consumer or customer on a directly basis. So in that case there is a sales tax exemption, but there is a condition that you need to collect a reseller certificate from that business to whom you are selling your product. Like, suppose that your company, if ABC LLC selling goods to XYZ LLC. So in that case, you need to collect reseller certificate from XYZ LLC. So if you get that reseller certificate, that is the confirmation from XYZ LLC that they are purchasing product from you to resell to the another entity or resell to the consumer. So in that case XYZ LLC is purchasing product from you and they are reselling this product to the consumer. So XYZ LLC is liable to get registered for the sales and use tax according to that economic nexus, right? But in case ABC LLC just selling the product to the XYZ LLC and different businesses registered, in that case no need to get compliances done of the sales and use tax. So what you have to collect, you have to collect that reseller certificate from that entity where you are selling the goods or selling your product. But if you are failing that, if you are failing to get that reseller certificate, in that case you have to follow that sales and use tax. Otherwise you will get the notices, or you will get there is a compliances issues also with your organization. So simple terms, just a second. First you have to identify that product you are selling to whom, selling to whom. So like if that is LLC or limited or different or C corp or S corp, whatever, but this is entity registered, this is business, so it will considered as business to business transactions. So there is no sales tax on this transaction. You just need to collect reseller certificate from them. Reseller certificate, like suppose that you are your company or your business is selling their product to the Walmart, so you just need to collect that reseller certificate from Walmart and get the exemptions from sales and use tax compliance. If you are failing that getting that reseller certificate, in that case you need to comply that sales and use tax, and it will be considered that you are selling the product to the businesses for their consumption, not for their resale purpose. So this is very simple terms. So for example, if you are doing all of the activities with another registered businesses only, so no need to get registered for their sales tax purpose, no need to get compliances of sales and use tax. But if your organization doing partly sale to the businesses and partly sale to the direct consumer or partly sale to the marketplace, there is a multiple businesses, multiple types of businesses, multiple businesses, customers are available for your product. In that case you need to check that if you are doing that business with that registered business, you need to collect reseller certificate. Don't consider that amount for that sales tax purpose. And if you are selling directly to the consumer, in that case register your sales tax and use tax according to that economic nexus threshold, and get the collect the sales tax and remit that sales tax to that particular state. And in case of third, if you are selling goods from through marketplace as well, in that case high chances that you are dealing with different of states through that marketplace. In that case you need to check economic nexus with all states. From all different states you have to check that economic nexus. If you are breaching that nexus, excess limit or exemptions amount, that in that case you need to register with that particular register. So high chances that if you are dealing with that marketplaces, you need to get registered more than 35 states or 40 states and get compliances done. If there is a monthly sales tax returns required, then you have to file it. Whether there is a no liability to remit that sales tax on your part, there is a marketplace will collect that sales tax and remit that sales tax to the state directly. But in your case, there is a compliances due that you have to file your returns, you have to mention that amount, and that they get the deduction through marketplace, that you are selling your goods only through marketplace, you will get deduction. There is a no liability on that. There is a no second time taxation on that same product you are selling through marketplace. This is basically just for reporting purpose, that yes, you are compliant your sales and use tax. Otherwise, if you are not compliant and if you will not getting registered, then in that case you will get a notice for registration required. Or if you registered and not filing that regular returns, just thinking that yes, marketplaces are just collecting the tax and remitting the tax to the state, that is done, that is done at their part, and but there is no compliance required, then it means that you are missing something. So you have to file that sales and use tax on a monthly basis, and you have to report that sales and get the deductions of that marketplace, but no need to remit that tax. But that compliances is always due on your part also. And if you don't follow, then what they will do, the sales tax department will do the calculation of that sales tax on a estimation basis, and they will start putting that penalty on that estimated basis tax calculation. So to avoid this, you have to follow your you have to compliance with that sales tax and use tax return. So friends, I hope I tried to explain all the basic things about that reseller certificate and economic nexus and sales and use tax returns and registration part. So please do like this video and share with video, and if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for most important for videos related that taxation, related to other exemptions and related to other compliances purposes. So friends, see you soon in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye, take care.